So guys, some of you have been having problem with updating the BlueDriver. Some are stuck at 2.39, other 2.58. The latest sensor version is 2.60. So this is a tutorial to show you how to force update to 2.6. I've already updated mine, but I'll walk you through the process. So initially, when you update the sensor, it will show the current version, and then it will check, and now the sensor is up to date. So to force it, you have to clear the data first of the BlueDriver application. Second, the car has to be off, both ACC, that is the accessory mode, and the engine on, both should be off, as in it completely off. Then after that, you clear the data of the application. So that's what we'll do here. You first stop the BlueDriver application, then under storage and cache, you clear the storage. Then you, without opening the application, unplug the BlueDriver from the vehicle, and then plug it back. Remember, don't start the engine or don't put the car on the accessory mode. After that, after plugging the BlueDriver back, you open the BlueDriver application. So you navigate, don't connect to the sensor, so you cancel. Then you navigate to the update sensor. It will show the current version is 1.00, or sometimes it will show the current version as an unknown. So you check for the update. You wait and wait, and then you see an update is available and it is telling you to connect. So you connect, you choose your BlueDriver sensor, and then there will be a foreseen connection, that is first connection, and then you update the sensor. So you wait, as we shall wait. The process is slow, so bear with me. Just a reminder to everyone, just follow the instruction as stated up below, that please do not unplug the sensor. Doing so may break it, so just wait until the process complete. It takes a while. And hooray, the sensor update is complete. So what you can do now, you can just continue using the BlueDriver as usual, or just confirm whether the actual update was successful. You now put the car in accessory mode, unplug the BlueDriver, plug it back, then completely get out of the application of the BlueDriver, then open the application again, and then let the sensor connect as usual. Set your vehicle now. We want to do for this demonstration, we are not setting up, so we are going directly to the update sensor, and now you can see the current version is 2.60. For mine already it was 2.60, but if it had stuck at 2.39 previously, or 2.44 or 2.58, this is one way of forcing the update to 2.60. So thank you all. I hope it will help somebody.